I mentioned I will talk about the difference between value and the pass-through action type. However, in this short video, I won't explain the fundamental difference since it's more complicated than I can cover in this short video. Instead, I will quickly show you the difference I observed between value and the pass-through action type in the input system in terms of mouse scrolling. If you use the pass-through type, you can clearly see the transition stages as you are scrolling up the mouse wheel up and down, and you can see the middle stages between the first person and the third person view, and stop there and use that view. And the debug only show messages if you're scrolling up or down. However, if you use the value tab, you don't have the option. You can only in the first person view or third person view. There's no middle stages. And also you may notice that the debug keeps refreshing its message, meaning it's continuously tracking the value. And also we have this control tab access. So actually we can take a look at their values. By default, Unity using 120 for the scrolling up, for minus 120 for the scrolling down. So we can put it to debug here and check the value. Now scrolling up, you can see that 120 and keep refreshing. And let's get back to the pass-through. Okay, go up 120, go down minus 120. So it won't keep refreshing. And also you can normalize the value. So by adding the access dead zone on the processors, now the value changes from -1 to the +1. +1 is for the scrolling up, -1 is for scrolling down. However, in our application, it won't matter that much because we only care about if the scrolling value is larger than 0 or less than 0, two cases.